The Same Boat by Julie Sheldon. We're all in the same boat, they say, but I would disagree. So many different sailing crafts upon this stormy sea. Some sail on ocean liners in comfort, style and ease, relaxing on their balconies, sipping their J&Ts. Some speed along in motorboats, as if it's all okay, with little care for smaller craft which might get in their way. Some struggle on their battleships, where nothing's going right, endless preparing for the next relentless fight. Some huddle in their lifeboats and pray that they'll be saved, hoping for calmer sea and fearing every wave. Some drift upon their rafts, they barely stay afloat. They're praying for a change of luck and a chance to board a boat. Some haven't found their sea legs yet and dread each wave and swell. They struggle to stay upright and don't feel very well. So whilst you're on your journey to a safe and calmer port, look out for fellow sailors who may need some support. Could you throw them a life belt, a paddle, or an oar? Perhaps you could help guide them a bit nearer to the shore.